So far as I remain the president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, what to do?
Dormahene Etishana Muchuni high. The first high and say a Mujasem Neka. And then as long as Untimin can say Nemuja, now you think you can sit in your chair as a president of the Bruno Regional of Chinaki can say more. You can't. Which man can. But at the end of the day, the law is the law, and the law will deal with you. Until you have no problem, share them. And then we don't need the chiefs of Bruno in here for him for. And so no one can say one nation for my hand. Some perform the best say why nation for my hand. One nation for my hand.
So the answer was general to me. No.
That is your conduit at the Bruno chief, and that is why I say you call a chidom, a friend saying I don't take all of them have, when we were submitting the document, signing document, I just to lay some of the floor and then some for my hand. There's that document. So tomorrow we believe that the only way you can do is you have to show respect.
Okay.
And they say, Obi Tona, they now call Shiegu. Now go to Sana Mutu. If it thinks says take that position. But for now, the court has given the ruling.
Okay.
Say why to lay some of the floor. Is your law. That was the document. Said the bone and Fambra. And to show to mean Crown Patum and as long as I remain the president of Bon Regional House of Chief. It's not true.
Okay.
You can't do that. You can't. You can't because the law have directed you and the law have shown. Said do what is right.
So the kind of
but the law would catch up with you and the law would deal with you.
Okay. And no more addition on a more crewman and anonymity at them was something. A better than more dear, more shame, more say, and Catana on no returns of Tuesday. Baba.
Is it making what actually officer?
Support send the one shabre. It's no more dear, more dear, come to
for now. Shebi, shall we go, Umfanko, Shebi, near Cashe, Obia Bajuma, I'll be a rational. I shall be in day. Nobody should tell you why I'm from my hand. Nobody. You understand what I'm saying?
It's a who cannot cry, Ubia Jutum say, or more Casapana Gia to Cratan, no more from the
so for Cratanimo, say net Empire, I want to show the friends, the headmaster of the Nafana Secondary School. Now, the headmaster, not 200% over. Everybody know that you are the newly appointed headmaster. Everybody know because when DS now appoint you. See, once Ghana Education Service has appointed as the headmaster, now the old headmaster next one.
So be
of course, be headmaster. And whether they like it or not, whether they be gazette or no gazette, clearly, we will be our badjuma to let someone just fly as far as any man for. There are evidence are there. To let someone just fly as far as a sentiment, the crowd of them. What arbitration, what lose you. And so who are you? You've lost.
Okay.
You've lost. So clear. The first say we are people and interest say no correct. And no correct. Would you two my wow? Sine be one am two now be two. What brown once now to shana mutu. We are there baby. What I say? We are there baby. You got to let someone just fly for my hand. So it doesn't matter how they delay the process of the gazette at the end of the day. He is the overlord, and that indeed has been accepted. That was nation for my end, and today that's what the confirmation that the court gave. That look, when for document in court, you were in the court, you were in there, you were there. Exactly.
When I made the other, I made one say, and put the show home brand of Corano, one more so. Now we are a brand of son, and I made and yes, Shannon Rani. Who did you say? Oh, yeah, and she knew behind in Toka. Okay. You were brave once. Nancy be a mamrano. Of course, people are saying, Nanka, said, Nanka, we are Nanka, will be a Fahama, no, a bow, no, we are not going to do that. But we believe the law will keep on exposing them. And that's what down my echo courty and Rana Shomo, which baby, which made the day, but it's not people who are good. You cannot change it. Obey the day, obey say.
we are question for
near Dormahene in your mahine no near the contempt of the court or mabo court no enmity the sent in almost by court yenka nana Dormahene ye peno a sevena and mera believe no ne body guys or more ne ho threaten woman or mamma quine and moment to me and serve wom the sent no na ye pe quine fufra ye de be serve nana Dormahene tie by and so court to edit to mo court to account and say yanko publish neoma no e daily graphic mo ne yemfa bin metare court to notice board so e wo Kumasi ne yensan fa bin kotare high court e wo Kumasi notice board ne yemfa bin tare the Bono Regional House of Chiefs o notice board na yemfa krata no bi emma officer biara o the Bono Regional House of Chiefs
somo ena nananum kopie mu court no e dey na be free mu aba empo no de be free mu aba no eno nso so no e be yese de bia e ba ni aba court na ya wa atwenye mu ahwensi ni asamba ni bi anan ne de no e bi shronko me bi fufuro bi ni ye hwe ne mu kwan ni nyana
all relevant stakeholders within this country that's Mrani Kasa na Mrani Kasa we are nobody should come pleading say obi pacho we know very well that Dormahene will be cited for contempt every day be juma because he our fumra and obi a say bi onye nsane okroma bia ho so wa fumra the law will deal with him and if the law deal with him and obi am mountain say no if a banisha all of us will revolt against this nation because we are saying say there must be rule of law and at all time it must be fair it must be just Untimi ka say wo udi asema me o metimi de adi o muntimi find me ye nyina pepepe ye mfa mrantra kroman today the chief justice he didn't try because mra kroman it say chief justice no is not about the law and if you are a high court judge you are not about the law and he say mra kasa now say nyuntuma we will see coming days what will happen and we are very much aware say mra ni bedi
yigina yo didi say mra no be adwuma ye free hono mo na nyame ya do
wadarma enti na okay. And so for that matter, if even you are the minister, and you are the minister, the regional minister, you want to misbehave? Is that what you are telling me? You can't do that.
Okay. No,
all right.
Yeah. I'm on for some SCD forms, declaration forms. Omo dia bana bis no nyam from my source.
I said, now Dormahene and you say, or King Kong, and he will not show respect to the law, and he will not do anything to the law. But you see, we want to tell the people of this country, and your tracker.
Oh, okay.
And so I think we are going to provide you an evidence of that. Chana me make say, Sebi na me to not in chain. Sebi nete. What are didi? Because he's misbehaving and he's misbehaving. And for that matter, we have to call him on. We want to tell Sebi ni ba ahenkan. Sebi ya dodomu. And mama yeah Sebi oba hima. And I said, Yadodo, Ninia, and Ninia Ba, and I in kind so Ninia Ba. We want to tell them their brother is misbehaving. And then we are telling them, Sebi Bisu or Sampa Bima. I'm telling you, we know where Mama stays, and we know baby. Oh no, me come me ba, Timmy, Mama ya Obahima, the Mahima, and I Sebi, I in kind Ninia. Yeah, can say. Say me, obi to shame maame so. What dey say? Obi to shame maame so. No prana. Me so, me ko akọ I will go me ba tie me. Me ko na makochia ni nya ba no. We go there and greet him. You be ko na akochia ni champa oba him wadaroma. Say na bra na yo. We go and greet him. I'm not sure I'm going to have see you be ko akochia no. And that is why what exactly. And so we are telling the regional minister, say BBC or sampa so na yere you be ba na ya be chia no. Ya be chia no ho brasem. You have a channel on Brashim.
And yeah, then I interested in BNC.
And so say here, that is why we are calling national security. Okay. Once you call national security to make sure, say, look, the regional minister that they have appointed, no misbehave, what take his size, and on kind of crap, this on kind of crowd, so do you neighbor. And and we cannot fight. And so once you cannot fight, they should call them upon. They will do what is right. They should call on IGP, the regional police command, the district police command to be disciplined and make sure they say me. And I'm after they should arrest me. So and I'm after they should arrest you. That's what we are saying. We have the regional minister. The regional minister, we are going to handle him. We will handle him. We are just telling him that this is the clue that we are giving him. But now he will not respect the laws of this country. And then the entire money time. And then the entire money finish or lawyer ni. And then your lawyer ni, you were their lawyer in court. And now him say assembly by what lose 1, 2, 3. And they say what lose now sanko shasa ni pan sena blood ni say be man why. It you better use your office no. Now you dey sena blood e wo no no. We deal with you. Or be man, we deal with him. Or why? Who are you?
This say no ne krakram ni ye hwe kwan kwesi dey na dey na sisia no. Ye gidi nyina so.
The say on the 3rd of July you come back to the court. You back court now. the course no no obeka share but near can say today as we speak when you go to the presidency when you go to President Mahama on Facebook wall now open sampa man hina obehu ne sampa man hin it is your IGP who your regional police commander who your district police commander sebi you don't expect say obi who your interior minister you don't expect say obi fa phone and obi fa bi kan charge one sampa man hin you the document there the seal the presidential seal look on man there's a presidential seal what is it once the seal is there it tells you the authority of the country and the charge to let somebody fly the sampa man whether say he has been gazetted or he has not been gazetted today as we speak it's a confirmation the presidency the highest authority of this country to let somebody fly has been introduced and indeed nobody has questioned his authority until say to let somebody fly is overlord and the supreme leader of Sampa Traditional Council.
It says 3rd or 2nd July I hear crying. Said another man answer no 2 permanent bar. And no
what Adama answer me can catch the court not 24. I'm say e wa bontia ya Wadarma ti. Wadarma ya enema say bi obi ti abontia otimi to ayampi ahye oye de den na me na hwe na hwan o ene o ye ba na o gira hanom na ka say ma judgment wan say ba na judge ni say bi no ma judgment bi o church here no ma judgment bi o no o ma judgment na bi asi ti so ba na begina na ma judgment bi abo che na durant to atuzo na wo ho na abo che atumi okruma no but who be da I have say be obedede and we are telling him say that day opamra opamani ma ne kan say judge no ato ni lawyer no for say bi opamra on kan che no on kan so hye no o so on kan che no ni enti o so on kan che so o emranim ni o high court judge over the last 25 years into him di and he's misbehaving and misleading the people of this country distorting history. What I say, you cannot distort history. The laws of this country are very clear. The constitution is very clear. The land act is very clear. And now we are lawyer, you know the land act. Asasi bi anyone mo organ and many ra. Asasi bi ora. It is the officer in Kwanzaa assassin any ra. Go and challenge them at the court. So if the Sampa assassin any ra, challenge them at the court. The court will tell you that look, Tulesa Majalfa is the overlord of the lands of the Sampa Traditional Council. And Sasabi Otunfo is the overlord of Asantimai. And whether Ubeba, that is what the law will tell you, and rain or shine. That is what is going to happen. And to all those bloggers who said they was misbehaving to take on Otunfo, no, there's no two ways about that. He is overlord, and forever and ever he's going to be the overlord. Test case, Obianin Tum, Ahumbrasim.
Peace and when that Jinani at Commander, the Ecoso, Ama, Santimani, we are seeing the High Court.
Wadarma, any other masse. Several cancer and panic for other masse.
So what Europe and as America was in this Kadiaba Ghana, they send with money transfer no and I make count for a day amount. Send network banner use you wait me a day ascend it. So send a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait to me a day ascend it. Now I was any just a first transaction no ubena a year $20 free. The answer will be using a promo code JSXM2 and a desk screen so offer or first transaction ubena a year $20 free. Meeting the Atre Bruni. Yalan Media Ghana.